Sa araw na ito ay ihahain ang sabpina laban kay Guo Haping alias Alice Guo, Zhang Mier alias Sheila Guo, at Cassandra Leong. Haharap kayo sa hatol ng batas. Sheila Guo, the Senate's contempt order on you is lifted, and I direct the OSAA to transfer your custody to the Bureau of Immigration, pursuant to the mission order issued by the Bureau against you.
Okay, si Alice Guo owns the Color Pink Fish Farm in Sitio Mangas, but was registered under the name of Luz Aki, a Filipino national. Yung Alicel, kung saan kinoin yung pangalan yung dalawa, Alice and Cel, located in Bacuén, Suwal, Pangasinan, was found to be registered with Sheila